This is a summary of the last two examples. If we consider the sine of 30 degrees is a half, the sine of 45 degrees is 1 over root 2, the sine of 60 degrees is root 3 over 2. For the cosine of 30 was root 3 over 2, the cosine of 45 was 1 over root 2, and the cosine of 60 was a half. Note the relationship between the sine and the cosine. The order is reversed. And also, as we've seen, sine 45 and cos 45 are equal. For the tangent we had 1 over root 3, 1, and root 3. We should also know that the sine of 0 degrees is 0, and of 90 degrees is 1. For the cosine this is reversed, the cosine of 0 is 1, and the cosine of 90 is 0. The tangent of 0 is 0, and the tangent of 90 degrees is undefined. If you try the tangent of 90 degrees on your calculator, you'll find that you get an error. You'll get very large values if you try tan of 89, 89.9, 89.99, and so on. And we'll see why in later courses. For now, you should remember these values and be able to reproduce them immediately on demand. This will help with subsequent questions and in other parts of mathematics.